Hello Mumbai.
Hello India.
Me Sania Sinha, your new host.
And me Prakash Shukla, your new दोस्त.
तो आज हम आ गए एक टॉपिक को लेकर जो कि है
भारतीय राजनीति.
How did you find in politics now?
So I think the situation from what it was before has definitely increased, even though we have a lot of critical analysis going on, but not being so diplomatic at the same time. I think the situation is increasing with regard to specifically corruption with presence of Mr. Narendra Modi. Things are increasing and going towards a very positive note. So I think things will get better. It's not the best as of now, but we have a lot of hope.
इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स को आप फॉलो करते हो?
No, not at all.
Not at all. क्यों रीजन क्या है?
It's not a perfect politics. It's like family वाले से politics चलाते हैं आजकल तो.
नो यूज़ ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स. यानी मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है अभी पॉलिटिक्स के अलावा कोई है ही नहीं इंडिया में. अभी आप कोई भी फील्ड में जाओगे तो आपको पॉलिटिक्स से चलता है. देयर इज़ नो वैल्यू ऑफ talent. If you really talk about talent, then like for a doctor you need a MBBS degree and for a lawyer you need a LLB degree. But for a politician there is no minimum degree required. So there must be a minimum setup like for becoming politician.
This is the best point to be noted and I love your answers.
तो आपसे जानना चाहते हैं कि जो ये भारतीय राजनीति में परिवारवाद चलता है, भाईवाद भतीजावाद चलता है, समझ रहे हैं ना, भाईवाद भतीजावाद.
हाँ.
तो इसके बारे में क्या सुझाव, क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप? कैसा है ये भाई भतीजावाद? अच्छा है, बुरा है?
बोला हो.
बोलो हो.
Completely wrong, because if my parents are capable and if they do something, it's not necessary that I'm able to do the same things. It's completely wrong. I guess it should not work like that. Politics is something that we should not give or handle. It should not be handled by those who cannot handle it properly.
Five fingers are not similar, so even if they want to follow their legacy, at the end I don't think they would be able to live to their grandparents' expectations or so. And if his or her grandparent has already not been quite a good prime minister or has been a corrupt prime minister, then things are just gonna get worse.
Why take a obligation from your dad? You should be independent. You should do something on your own.
That was a family business, if you know what I mean.
I know.
That was a family business, but I don't think it's the case anymore. Yes, till now we have, but it was broken with Mr. Modi's entry because first it was the Gandhi family, right? So that was nothing but hierarchy, right? So that's a family business, but we have stopped it.
If I'll give you option of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, whom you opt? Gone better.
I think Sonia Gandhi.
Why?
I think because she done more than ever Rahul Gandhi could do. Rahul Gandhi could only he just used to blabber and do nothing for us at the end.
Sonia Gandhi,
Why?
because she's basically more experienced. If she can convert her non-politician's son to a politician, she can definitely do something exactly for our country.
Definitely Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, you?
Because Rahul Gandhi knows the population well and the people well as compared to Sonia Gandhi, and she is also becoming older day by day. So I will be opting for Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, you?
Sonia Gandhi. She is experienced more than Rahul Gandhi, and I don't think Rahul Gandhi is as a capable leader to lead. I would like to comment, if even Sachin is more experienced than Virat Kohli, then why not you play Sachin? Yeah, definitely.
It is going, Sonia Gandhi versus Rahul Gandhi. So
It's not about the experience, it's about the current trends.
Yeah, it's not about sports also. Sports require minimum age. Politicians doesn't require minimum age to play or to lead.
your favorite politician till now?
Okay, that hands down Mr. Narendra Modi. Because see, it would be a lie to say that there's no corruption in BJP. We are not stupid. But then there's one man who took over and changed the entire thing. So I'm not for any one political party. I'm for one man. That's Mr. Modi.